Hello again, guys. So I'm going to pick up from where I left off last time. Just going to open Photoshop again, and if you can remember, this is the unicorn design that we did. So now I'm going to show you how to upload it to a t-shirt website. To start off with, I think the size that I've done it at is fine. So if you go to canvas size, just check what we're at. So I'd probably check it in pixels. So 2000 by 2000, that should be a big enough size, and it should also upload with no issues. So you just press OK on that, and then I think the best way to do it is to save it with a transparent background, as this allows you to put it on different colours. Obviously if you just want it on white, then that would be fine, but it just gives you more flexibility. And then if you turn your white layer off at the bottom, like that, you can see that it's all transparent. So to save it out now, you go to File, Save for Web, and then it will open it up like this. So you just have a scroll about to make sure that the quality is all okay. I normally save it out as PNG24, just because this has got more colours in it. So there's also PNG8, which you can adjust the colours. So it's just whatever you prefer, really. They'll both save out at the same quality. So then you click Save, and save it in a folder. And then once you've got that saved out, go onto teespring.com. So all you need to do is just create yourself an account. It's free to do so. There's all these different options on there, and it's really easy to use. But to upload your t-shirt, you click on Start Designing. And then you'll get this page, so you can pick whatever you want your design to go on. So you can do t-shirts, leggings, pillows, posters, all sorts. But to start off, I'm just going to show you how to do the t-shirt. So you'll just click here, and then you can see that there's loads of different styles, so whichever one you want to do. I'm going to go for the slouchy tee, just because that's probably my favourite design. And then you've got an option here, so you can either do it for yourself or you can do it to sell. So I'm going to click Sell, and then it will come up with this page. So this is your preview of your t-shirt, that's the front and then back. So to add your image, just click here, Add Image, or if you want to literally just put some text on it, you can add text here. But if you click Add Image, find your PNG. So here you go, and then open that file. So it'll upload onto the t-shirt like this, and then if it's okay, it'll come up with a tick here. If there's any issues with it, it'll normally come up with a red cross. So to move it around, you literally just click on it, and there's like an arrow here, and then you just drag it to the size that you want it, and then it normally snaps into the central position for you anyway, like that. But if you want to move it around, then feel free to do so. So I'm going to put it here. You can see that it's, when I click on it, it's aligned with that line there, and it's also snapped to the centre. So I can make that slightly bigger. There we go, I'm happy with that. And then if you just click off, you can see what it's going to look like. If you click Preview, that will show you your final design. And then you can choose different colour backgrounds. So you're allowed to show multiple ones on your shop. So it's probably worth just flicking through and seeing which colours work. So I'm going to go with some lighter colours, I think, so grey. Let's go for pink and white. Let's keep it quite girly. And then you click done and it will save all your colours here. So then you can click through your options. You can set your price here and it'll tell you how much profit you're going to make if somebody purchases it. So I normally start probably quite low. So I'm going to set it to $23 and obviously that will be my profit. So then if I click continue, it will then give you a lot of other options. So you can then put it on many different products. And if you click on home, it will come up with all of your pillows and your posters. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. Obviously, like with these ones, you can go in, edit them, make them bigger. Obviously that's a little bit too small. But yeah, that is how you upload your designs. I'm just going to select this one for now because that's the one that I've just done. So yeah, you can click all of these ones and it'll add them as well. But I'm literally just adding this one for now. So if I click done and continue, it will then come up with this page. So you can name your design. So I'm going to call it the obvious. So you can choose whatever you want it to be called. I've just gone for something cheesy. And then you can select which image you want your buyers to see first. So obviously I want them to see the front. And the URL, that'll be what comes up when people search for it. So that's perfect. And then you will add it to your store here. So this is my store. And then if I publish the listing, and you've also got the option of listing them on other sites. So you've got Amazon, eBay and Wish. That is an extra cost, but it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to click no. And there you go. There's your design on a t-shirt. You can click through your colours. So it'll then appear in your shop like this. It's probably going to be on the last page. Or not. It'll be in there somewhere. It's just a case of flicking through. Obviously, if you've got multiple products with the same design on, then it will group them, hopefully. Ah, there we go. So then you'll see your design in the shop, and people can shop it. You can also click on it, and then there is an option to, you can click on Edit Store, and then find your design. There we go. So if I click on that product now, you can also share it on any social channels. So that'll allow you to promote it elsewhere, which is also a really good tool to have. It'll tell you all the shipping information here. I think you can change where you want it to be shipped to, and it'll tell you when it's available to. You can also amend that as well in the options down here. And then there's all your details, your length, all the fitting sizes. So yeah, that is how you get your t-shirt on Teespring. Make sure that you continue to watch some more videos because I'm going to be doing some more, and I'll also pop a link to Teespring under this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date, and I shall see you next time.